I built this tree fort before I started making step-by-step do-it-yourself videos, so I'm going to have to explain how I did it after the fact. First step was putting these two boards here in first. Just bolted them, screwed in lag bolts right into the tree. Don't worry, the tree survived. Put these in first. Okay, after that, I did a frame of just these 2x6s all the way around. As I went around the tree, balanced them on these two boards down here. I then installed these 2x6s in every corner to support that. Every corner, just secure them into the tree itself. And also these joists for the planks. I'm going to put those in there. And also some smaller pieces to support the planks that went around the tree itself. And after that, put the railings up. I had a little bit of a challenge because the tree was in the way of where the railing needed to go. Some of the railings were under the tree, some were right to the tree, and so forth. But after that, I went ahead and put the planks down. I made this this door here spring-loaded, so the kids wouldn't back up and fall through. And get up here, show you what I did here. And different planks, and also a little seat in the corner. And as you can see, it's 6 feet up. Pretty good view of the backyard. And as you can see across the street, there's a house there, and then put a little swing for him here. I made these steps out of 2x6s and put bricks under the bottom and added some handrails for the kiddos.